Going for some Vecna. Who are we going to see?
Vecna.
Vecna?
Yeah.
You're creating your own Vecna?
Yeah.
Let's check him out. Oh wow, he is growing. Oh, it looks crazy.
I know. Is it supposed to look like that?
I'm not sure. I mean, we're going to have a lot of pieces to...
Undo.
Yeah.
That whole entire thing is going to be undone.
That's nuts.
What the heck?
I don't know.
What is it supposed to look like? Oh, because it's
making like
forming
the
that.
stand, right? And his leg, maybe.
That is not his leg. That's the stand.
The leg. I think he's making the leg right now.
Oh, it looks amazing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. We'll see what the final product looks like. It does look crazy right now.
Oh, it's probably trying to. I don't know.
Should have made him pink.
Pink.
All right, we're attempting Vecna again. I messed up the first one.
It went crazy because I think it broke.
So now we got a
pink.
Yeah, pink one's going. This one looks a little cleaner.
It does. I think the first time it just didn't know what to do.
Oh, he's going faster too. Alright, we'll see.
The first one was 50 minutes. This one's an hour.
Where do you see that? Oh yeah, 52 minutes left. Okay, so how's it going? We're not sure yet?
No, because it keeps going out and like squirting some and then coming back in.
Hasn't broken though. So that's good.
Oh, the leg broke.
Did?
This part.
Right now?
No.
Oh, before.
Uh-huh.
What are you doing, Sassy? Coming to check it out?
39 hours.
What?
I mean, 39 minutes.
All right, we may have a pink Vecna.
Did you like what?